in the camper today, and I got this game here. It's called Bad Choices, and there's the regular one and the NSFW version. And we're going to take a look at these and see how bad of choices this is. So I have opened this box, so it wasn't sealed, but I haven't really looked at it. So this is the instructions here. And let's see, I'll hold it up so in case you don't know how to do it, you can take a screenshot or something. And it looks like, okay, so everybody gets a few cards. I don't know how many cards, let's see. So everybody gets like, say, like 5 cards, right? So if we're playing this with 3 people, we'll each get 5 cards, say. And then I have to pick a person, and so if I get like these 5 cards, I have to pick a person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I have to pick a person, and I would ask them one of the questions, and I have to get them to say a yes answer. So if they say no, then I lose, and I have to ask it to somebody else. If they say yes, then I get to put down that card. So the goal is to eliminate all of your cards. And so, like one of the questions here would be, do you think you would be the best stripper in the room? So I would ask that to the group of people. I guess you have to have like 3 or more people supposedly to play this game. So I would ask it, and if the person says yes, then I get to put it down. If they say no, then the answer is no. And then there's some questions here like a draw 1. I guess I can choose a player to draw an extra card if they got that one. There are a lot of questions that are really difficult to like weird. It says, have you ever sold drugs to somebody? So you got to get somebody to say yes. So if you're playing with people who haven't, just know everyone's going to say no. And then there's a lot of sex questions, like have you had a partner that was too kinky for you is another one here. And have you ever had sex with somebody? Have you ever had sex with someone within an hour of meeting them? Wow, there's some good questions here. And these are the regular questions. Could you imagine what this NSFW one is going to have? Let's see what these are. These are worse than those other ones. Holy mackerel. I don't know who I'm ever going to play this game with. Definitely not the kids. Oh my gosh, I can't even open it. That's how nervous I am to see what these are. Okay. Maybe the whole thing is NSFW. I can't imagine any of the other ones would be appropriate for any type of work environment. God, I can't even open this thing. Okay, let's see what some of these questions are here. Oh yeah, it says the other ones, the original ones just say bad choices, and these ones say bad choices NSFW. Wow, would you give up masturbating for a year if after that year all your future orgasms were 25% better? I don't know, maybe. Have you ever had sex with 3 different people within a week? Ouch. Have you ever cock blocked a friend? Boy, these are some interesting questions. So I guess these are more inappropriate than the originals are or something. But if you're interested in getting this particular game, I'm going to put a link to it because I got it from Amazon. Not sure why I got it. I don't know who I was thinking I was going to play with it. I got it a long time ago. I think when one of my friends was visiting me in Florida, so I got it, and then I just never even opened it up or anything like that. Don't know why. Just thought it might be fun to play someday. But wow, okay, that's it. It's the Bad Choices game. Let me put these back in here, and this is what it looks like there. So if you want it, I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with other items I review soon. Thanks, bye.